Good morning to all. My name is Reethu. Today we are going to discuss a topic about force. Do anybody know what is the meaning of force? Okay, let's know one thing. We are all very interested in watching magical shows, right? Why? Because they are very interesting and we are very interested to watch them. So, today also we are going to discuss a magical topic, that is force. Let us know about what is a force. Force is a push or a pull that is acting on an object. In this force can change the shape of an object. Force can change the movement of object. How? Let us see. Take a duster in your hand and press it with the force. What can you observe? We can observe that a change in the duster. That is because of force. And keep a football on the ground and kick it with a high force. It changes its direction. By this, we can understand that force can change the shape of an object and direction of an object. This force is divided into two types. That is contact force and non-contact force. So let us see what is a contact force. What is a contact force? A force which is applied on an object by actually touching the body is known as a contact force. In this contact force, there are some different types. The first one is muscular force. The force which is applied by our body muscles is known as muscular force. This is known as a muscular force. Let us see some examples. Lifting a bag or raising the board are some of the examples for muscular force. And next one. Normal force. The force which is applied on an object in a normal direction is known as the normal force. Let us go for the third one. Frictional force. It is very interesting topic. Let us see what is a frictional force. Frictional force is a force which opposes the relative motion of an object. Let us see. Assume that this is a box. A boy is pushing the box from the left side to right side. So force is applied through right side to left side. So frictional force is a force which opposes the relative motion. So this is the relative motion. Friction is a force which opposes that. So friction comes this way. This is called frictional force. Next one. Tension force. The force which is applied by a rope or a string or a thread is known as the tension force. Let us do this. Assume that this is a string or thread. A box is hanging to the string. So here some force is applied. That is tension force. So we completed contact force. Let's go to the non-contact type of force. This is the second type of forces, that is non-contact force. We have some three types around for non-contact type of forces. What is a non-contact type of force? The force which is applied by not touching the body is known as non-contact force. Here we have some examples. Gravitational force. First one is gravitational force. You all know the gravity. Let's assume as this is a tree. Tree contains some apple fruits. If a fruit falls down from the tree, this is because of gravitation. Who invented gravity? Yes, Sir Isaac Newton. So Sir Isaac Newton invented the gravity. So this is of gravitational force. Gravitational force is a force which is applied by two massive objects on the earth. Next thing. Magnetic force. A magnetic force is a force which is applied by two magnets or to another magnetic material such as iron. See this. This is a bar magnet. We know that every magnet contains two poles, that is North Pole and South Pole. Let us cut this into the middle. We get North and South poles. Let us cut this again. We get North and South poles. By this we can understand that if we cut any small object of magnet, it contains two poles, that is North and South poles. Last one. Electrostatic force. Electrostatic force. The force which is applied by a charged body on the another charged body is known as electrostatic force. Let us see an example. Take a blown balloon and take some pieces of paper. Rub the balloon with a paper for some time so that it contains some charge. Then take the balloon near to the pieces. They will attract. So this force is called electrostatic force. And so we completed non-contact force. Non-contact force has another name, that is field force or force acting at a distance. This is called non-contact force. So I think you all understood this topic. Thanks for giving me this opportunity.